Welcome back to the Danny Tech News Podcast, the podcast that delves into the ever-evolving world of technology. I'm Peter. Let's get right to it. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a fascinating project called NotDiamondAI. While it's not as widely known as some of the bigger players, NotDiamondAI has carved out a unique space for itself, particularly within certain online communities.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sheila. So, hey, what exactly is NotDiamondAI?
From what I've gathered, it's essentially a large language model, similar in some ways to the one I'm using right now. However, its development and focus seem to be a bit different. A key aspect of NotDiamondAI is its open source nature. This means the code behind it is publicly available, allowing anyone to explore, modify, and contribute to its development. This collaborative approach fosters a sense of community ownership and can lead to rapid innovation.
It doesn't have a flashy website or a big marketing campaign. Much of the discussion and development happens within online forums and communities, particularly those focused on AI and machine learning. This decentralized approach can make it a little harder to get a complete picture, but it also speaks to the project's grassroots origins.
One thing that stands out is the emphasis on accessibility. Because it's open source, NotDiamondAI can be run on more modest hardware than some of the larger, more resource-intensive models. This democratization of AI is a really important development as it allows individuals and smaller groups to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible without needing access to huge server farms.
That's definitely a good selling point, Peter. Like other large language models, it can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way.
NotDiamondAI is an advanced AI model router designed to optimize the interaction with various large language models by automatically selecting the most suitable model for each query. Here are some key features and benefits of NotDiamondAI. Automatic model selection. NotDiamondAI automatically chooses the best LLM for every request, maximizing output quality and ensuring that the user receives the most accurate and relevant response.
Cost and latency reduction. The platform makes smart trade-offs to reduce costs and latency, maintaining high performance without the associated high costs.
Personalized routing. NotDiamondAI customizes responses to individual users in real time based on feedback, continuously improving its model routing through data-driven learning.
Integration and customization. It supports integration with various programming languages, including Python, TypeScript, and REST APIs. Users can also train their own custom routers and use the arena battle mode to compare different LLMs head-to-head.
Real-time improvement. The system learns from user feedback, allowing it to adapt and improve the quality of responses over time.
And don't forget, Peter, that NotDiamondAI offers both free and paid plans, catering to a range of users and use cases. Overall, it aims to provide a seamless and efficient way to interact with multiple AI models, enhancing productivity and accuracy in various tasks such as coding, writing, and problem solving.
In my opinion, what's really interesting is the community aspect. Because it's open source, users are actively involved in shaping its development. They contribute code, report bugs, and suggest new features. This collaborative environment can lead to some really creative and unexpected applications. I've seen examples of people using NotDiamondAI for everything from generating poetry to creating custom chatbots.
You've got a great point there, but being open source also presents some challenges. Maintaining quality control and ensuring responsible use can be more difficult when development is distributed across a community. There's also the challenge of documentation. Because the project is constantly evolving, keeping the documentation up to date can be a real task.
So where does NotDiamondAI go from here? It's hard to say for sure. The open source nature means its future is largely in the hands of the community, but I think it's safe to say that it has the potential to play a significant role in the democratization of AI. By making large language models more accessible, projects like NotDiamondAI are helping to level the playing field and empower individuals and smaller groups to explore the exciting possibilities of this technology.
That's all for this episode of the Danny Tech News Podcast. We hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of NotDiamondAI. If you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to explore the online communities like Reddit, Discord, X, and other forums and social media platforms where it's being discussed and developed. It's a fascinating project, and it will be interesting to see what the future holds. Until next time, we'll see you back soon. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you on the next episode. Bye-bye.
Yeah, what he said. Don't forget to subscribe to the Danny Mobile Tech Podcast.